tonight with new information. A California appeals court has reversed its own decision to block the Trump administration's Remain in Mexico policy. The policy forces asylum seekers to wait in Mexico for their immigration hearings. Good evening. I'm Steve Atkinson.
And I'm Lindsay Pena in for Kimberly Hunt. 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo is live at the San Ysidro border crossing. And Laura, this is all still developing tonight.
It is, Steve and Lindsay, and I'm told that after the earlier ruling, migrants were presenting themselves at various ports of entries, including right here in San Ysidro, hoping to await their asylum court date in the United States. This late reversal leaving attorneys and migrants in Mexico in limbo. Confusion at the border after the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals blocks its own order to end the Migrant Protection Protocols program known as MPP. Earlier in the day, the Ninth Circuit Court had voted to block the Trump administration's program, meaning migrants could be allowed to claim asylum and wait for their court proceedings in the United States instead of Mexico. Justice Department attorneys said that decision would cause, quote, irreparable harms to border security and public health and safety. Late Friday night, the same court reversed its own order, telling the government to file written arguments by Monday. So for now, the MPP program remains, forcing asylum seekers to wait for their immigration hearing in Mexico. The program started in 2019. In a statement reacting to the first court order, Acting Homeland Security Secretary Chad Wolf called the injunction, quote, grave and reckless, calling the MPP program a game changer to address the ongoing crisis at the southwest border. Also in a statement, acting CBP Commissioner Mark Morgan said, quote, the courts have taken action to undermine efforts to prevent illegal migration, saying, quote, it sends the message that anyone who comes to the border will be released into the United States. Now, I did reach out to Customs and Border Protection officials in Washington for a comment on this latest ruling late tonight, but so far I have not heard back. Now, we did hear from immigration activists who tell us this late reversal does not change the fact that MPP is illegal and immoral, also saying that MPP puts migrants at risk and violates the international agreement to protect asylum seekers. We're live from the border tonight. Laura Acevedo, 10 News.